Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if the voice recorder app is not working properly on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side select privacy and security. On right side you just need to scroll down. Under the app permission you just need to click on microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on and let app access your microphone. Make sure it is also turned on and the specific app voice recorder you just need to make sure that is toggled to on position, and after doing it close it off here. Hopefully this can able to resolve a problem guys, but if this doesn't help you then you just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select view by two large icons and now select sound. Now go to recording tab and make sure your microphone is enabled over here. If not, you just need to right click on it and select enable guys. After enabling it, something else you need to look into as well guys. Go to search menu and type installed apps. Click on open it. In search apps you just need to search for voice recorder. Click on this three dot icon and select advanced options. Just need to scroll down. Under the reset option click on repair. After repairing it, check your problem solved or not. If you're still having problem then click on reset guys. Click on reset. After resetting it, close it off here and go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. You just need to search for Windows audio service. Double click on it. Set startup type to automatic, and if the service status is stopped you just need to start it guys, and you just need to do a right click on Windows audio service and select restart. In my case, if I restart my audio then my recording will be stopped guys, that's why I'm not doing it. You just need to click on restart and it will be restarted, and after doing it close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, hopefully your problem resolved. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.